Okay. Today's program is write a program to find out squares and cubes from 1 to 10 numbers. Here, what is the program? To find out squares and cubes from first number to 10 number. 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1. 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, like that. Okay. Hash include stdio.h. Hash include console.io.h. Next, void main. Here we have to declare the local variables. Okay, local variables. Can you hear me clearly? You can see my screen, right? Okay, better. Okay. Here I need only one variable, that is nothing but I, and it is initialized by 1. Why? Because I want to find out squares and cubes from 1. Okay. Use clear screen. Printf. Okay. In the printf, use number. You see, /t means tab. It will give the space. When you press tab, it will give some space, right? That much space it will give. Okay. /t. T means tab. /t again. It is a square. Next, use /t. It is nothing but cube. Okay. Next, while I less than or equal to 10. Why? Because I want to start from 1 and end with 10. I want from 1 to 10 squares and cubes. Here use printf /n means new line or next line. I want to print a digit, right? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, like that. %d /t /t %d. Okay. Here, this percentage is nothing but number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This percentage is nothing but square. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, like that. It is nothing but cube. Okay, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, like that. Okay, so it will say the first one is I, second one is I into I, the third one is I into I into I. Okay, the first %d, okay, it belongs to small single I, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Second percentage is nothing but I into I. Third one is I into I into I. Okay. Next, increase the I value, I plus 1. So next time I value is 2. Okay. So this is about, okay, program to print squares and cubes. Okay. You see what is the output for here? Output. What will be the output? Number, square, cube. Number 1. 1 square is nothing but 1. 1 cube is nothing but 1. Next 2. 2 square, which is nothing but 4. 2 cube, nothing but 8. Next 3. 3 square, 9. 3 power 3, 27. Next 4. 4 square, which is nothing but 16. 4 power 3. 4 cube, 16 4 the 64. Like that. 5. 5 square, 25. 5 power 3, 125. Okay. Like that we have. Okay. The last one is 10. Which is nothing but 100. 1 cube is nothing but 1000. Okay. So this is the output. Okay. So this is the output. Next. Next, one more program. Write a program to print multiplication tables. Nothing but tables. Okay. Write a program to print multiplication table. Okay. क्या है ये? हाँ? साबुन. Wait. Okay. Write a program to print multiplication table. Include stdio.h. Next, include console input output.h. Next, void main. Okay. I want to print the table. Like if I enter 9, so it will display the 9th table. If I enter 12, so it will display the 12th table. For that, I need 2 variables. One is the value, like 7th table or 9th table. Second one is increment, like 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27, like that. So I need only 2 variables. Okay. So I'm giving that n value at the runtime. So I'm using printf and scanf. Enter a value. Next, scanf. Okay. I enter the integer value. So I have to use that value to be stored in n. Okay. So whichever value I entered, that value stored in address of n. And it is a integer value. That's why we are mentioning digit. Next. Initially I value is 1. Why? Because Every table starts from 1, like 6 ones are, 7 ones are, 8 ones are. Okay. Next condition. While I less than or equal to 10. It means until I value is less than 10, it will repeat the code or structure. Okay. Here use printf statement. Slash n means next line. 9 1 the 9. In the next line, 9 2 the 18. In the next line, 9 3 the 27, like that. Okay. Percentage. Normally we are using D. Normally we are using D, but it should be in the some space. We should use some space. That's why use percentage 3D means 3 times. It will give the 3 times space. Okay. Percentage 3D equal to percentage 3D. Okay. Actually, we can mention D only, percentage D, but if you want in some space, at that time use percentage 3D. This percentage 3D, it is nothing but n value. The second percentage 3D is nothing but I value. The third percentage D or 3D is nothing but n into I. N into I. Okay. So it is like this. N I equal to n into I. Like 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 7 table. 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 14. 7 3 the 27. Like that. Okay. And every time I value will be increased to plus 1. Okay. And close the main bracket. Okay. It is simple. Okay. I entered n value. Okay. And according to the increment, I is nothing but increment. Okay. I less than or equal to 10. Okay. So it will execute repeated till I value is 10. Once I value is more than 11 or 10, it will come out from that loop. Okay. Output. Okay. What will be the output? You see percentage 3D. Percentage 3D. Okay. For example, 7. Okay. If you enter the value 7. Okay. Enter a value. Enter the value. Okay. It will prompt you to enter the value. Okay. So enter the value, which is nothing but, for example, 7. Okay. Then what will be my output? Like 7 into 1. Nothing but 7. 7 into 2, which is nothing but 14. 7 into 3, which is nothing but 21. Like that. Okay. 7 into 4. 7 fours are 28. 7 into 5, which is nothing but 35. 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. 7 into 7, which is nothing but 49. 7 into 8. 7 8 the 56. 7 into 9. 7 9 the 63. 7 into 10, which is nothing but 70. Okay. Okay, so that is the output. Okay. Next is, okay, next program is Any doubt beta regarding these two tables? Now we have to write down a program to print below pattern. Okay. What is the pattern? 1. It should be 1, 2. It should be 1, 2, 3. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 5. Like this. It's like a pyramid. It is called a right side pyramid. Okay. I want to print it like below pattern. Below pattern. Okay. It means when you enter 5, it will give 5 rows. Right. Same like that. Okay. We have one program. It is called pyramid. Right side pyramid. Okay. Include stdio.h. Include okay void main. Here I need 3 variables. One is the n value, which is 5. Second one for row, number of rows. Second one is for number of rows. Third one is for nothing but number of columns. Number of columns. Okay. So here I need 3 variables. Okay. One is I, J, and N. Okay. I, J, N. I is for number of rows. J is for number of columns. N is the value. Okay. Now after that we can use printf. Enter a value. Okay, enter a value. That value is scored by percentage scanf. Percentage D. That value is stored in N. That value is stored in N. Okay. Now we have to find out nth value. Okay. Scanf. We can use for loop here. We can use while, we can use for loop, we can use do while. 3 are same. But mostly we are using for loop. Why? Because no need to again. Okay. Okay. The condition is I is equal to 1. Okay. Initially, for example, n value is 5. N value is 5. Okay. Initially, I value is 1. Initially, I value is 1. So it check the condition. 1 less than or equal to 5. It is true or false? It is true. I less than or equal to n, which is nothing but 5. Okay. Next increment. Okay. Very good. So here we have 2 for loops. One is for I is equal to 1, which is nothing but number of rows. The second one is for j, which has only columns. Okay. But it execute this one. Why? Because when I is equal to values. Okay. J less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Okay. Now printf. Okay. Logic for this, right? Pyramid. Kartiki, what is the logic? I will explain logic. Okay. One by one, I will explain the logic. First, write down the program. Okay. Printf. Percentage d. Okay. It will print j. Okay. So this is the program. Use for new line. Okay. Okay. That is the thing. Here, what is the logic is we enter one value. For example, I entered 5. I entered 5. Here, initial I value is 1. I less than or equal to n. 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition true or false? The condition is true. When the condition is true, it executes the below code or below block. Okay. Printf /n means in the new line. In the new line. Okay. Here I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5. Here again we have one more for loop. J is equal to 1. Here j is equal to 1. Okay. Next condition. J less than or equal to I. It is not j less than or equal to n. It is j less than or equal to I. Okay. What is the I value? It is 1. Okay. This condition is true. Why? Because j value is 1 and I value is also 1. Okay. So the condition is true. Okay. It will print j. What is the j value? Okay. Initially, what is the j value? 1. Okay. Next time, j increases, right? Why? Because it is j plus plus. It is j plus plus. Okay. Next, it will check I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 1. Okay. Here I am using new line. After completion of the this. Okay. So I value is 1 only. Why? Because next time j value is 2. 2 less than or equal to 1. Condition is false. Okay. So it's a 1. Now again. Now j value is 2. Now j value is 2. Okay. 2 less than or equal to 1. Okay. Now here you see it increases the I value also. Now I value is 2. Okay. Here again j value is 1. Every time it is initialized to 1 only. Here 1 less than or equal to 1. True. So in the next line, why? Because I'm using new line. Okay. I value is 1. Next time it increases the j value. Now j value is 2. Okay. 2 less than or equal to 1. Condition false. Condition false. Okay. Again, so it complete the inner for loop, not for the outer for loop. Okay. Next, I value will become 2. Okay, I value will become 2. Next, I value will become 3. I value will become 3. So it will give the 3 employees salary. Okay. Any doubt, beta? Kartiki? Okay. So this is about logic. Okay. And within 10 minutes, it will complete. Okay. Because of the thing, same zoom. Okay. Next time it will print here 2. Next time I value will become 3. I value will become 3. And j value will become 1 because every time it will start from 1. Okay. Again. Okay. It should be nothing but 3. 3 less than or equal to 1. Condition false. Okay. So next time it will give like this. Like this. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. This is called pyramid, right side pyramid. Okay. Below parts, it's like this. We can do up to 5 numbers. Okay. Next, write a program to print 1. It should be 0, 1. Next term is also it is 0, 1, 0. Next term it is 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, it is a pattern. Okay. Okay, so this is the pattern. Okay. Previously we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but now it has some logic. In the first row, first element, it has only first element 1. In the second row, what is the first element? 0. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, the program is hash include stdio.h hash include console input.h next void main. Okay, here I need 4 variables. Here I need 4 variables, and that 4th variable initialized as a k. Okay, int I comma j comma n comma k. Clear screen. Printf. Enter a value or enter a number. Scan it. Okay, that value stored in address of n. Again, I'm using for loop only. For I is equal to 1. Next I less than or equal to n. Okay, so why? Because it is up to n value. Here use printf. Why printf? Means it will print in the next line or new line. Okay, printf for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Okay, in the for loop we have three parameters. One is initialization, second one is condition, third one is increment. Okay, so initially j value is 1. Okay, so whenever it will increase the digits also, but the digit should be zeros and ones. The digit should be zeros and 1. Okay, if k percentile 2, it means when you divide any number by 2, if the remainder is 0, if remainder is a 0, then print 0, then print the 0. Okay, else printf percentage 1. Okay, if it is not equal to 0, then print 0. If it is equal to 0, then it will print 1. Okay, any doubt, Amma, on this pattern? Okay, here it will display only ones and zeros. Okay, here I need 4 variables. One is for rows, second for is column, third one is the number which you entered, and k is nothing but count. Okay, initially I is equal to 1. For example, you entered here n is equal to 3. For example, okay, other than that n is equal to 3. Okay, next what happened? I less than or equal to n. What is the I value here? 1. What is I value? 1. Okay, 1 less than or equal to 3. Why? Because n value is 3. Condition is true. Next it will give the in the next line. Okay, next j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. Okay, j value is 1, so 1 less than or equal to I value. What is the I value here? 1 only. Okay, now if you divide by 2, if the remainder is 0, then it is a even number, or you can say that is even rows. At that time print only zeros, else means in the remaining parts of 2. Okay, it will print 1. Okay, that is the logic behind that. Any doubts, beta? Okay. Next. Next program. Write a program to